this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix a broken bracket on an office chair. As you can see, this just came out. This was connected to the chair, and then a screw goes through here and then through here, and this basically stabilizes this chair. See, now there's no back support without this piece. I'm going to fix this. There's still some slack over here, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a hole through here. I'm going to attach it to the base. There's wood here. It appears to be plywood. So you can see the screw right there. The screw that's going in to that piece of metal, which is part of this that cracked off. So I'm going to remove that screw, make a hole in here, and put the screw through there to put this back on. It's actually bolted in from the other side. You can see there's the nut and there's the bolt. So it's going right through the wood. So this has to be removed. I'm just going to use the same hardware to put it through. So I'm going to have to take this off because I need to get access. This is in my way. So I'm going to remove the other handle. Then I'll have more access to that area. I'm going to put a piece of cloth as I turn the screwdriver because I don't want to damage this. Okay, this nut right over here is actually embedded into the wood, so it doesn't come loose. It stays there, which is good. This way it didn't fall inside the chair if it was loose. So what I have to do is just basically make a hole in that piece and put that piece back in. The screw is out. It was in here. I was able to get it out. Okay, so it goes in this way. So I'm going to be making a hole here, and the hole has to be wide enough for the screw to fit, which is the screw I just took out. Okay, so here's the hole. So I'm going to be putting it in and bolting it in. Okay, so I was able to screw it in. It's tight. It's overlapping the cracked piece, but it's holding. It's on the other side right there. It's bolted in and it's tight. So put this like that and it's ready to go. So there you go. That is how to fix a broken office chair bracket. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.